Hello, Yuga. Could you help me to test my prototype?
Yes.
This is my paper prototype. And my project is chain engine. And you can see this is the main page. It's the home page. You can try it. You can touch the navigation, and then you can change to this. This is the navigation, and you can try to touch different icon.
Gallery.
Yes, this is the gallery.
Yeah.
And you can see the different page, the image in this page, and it will show the information when you touch the different image. You can try.
Maybe this one.
And then maybe you will change to this page, and this is the gallery, and this is the information, and you can back to the navigation.
This one.
Yes.
Yes.
And then you can go back to this, and you can try another.
Yeah, another.
You can try another icon.
Oh yeah, connection.
If you touch the collection, you will change to this page, and this page is a collection that you can collect your favorite pictures and different images about the chain engine, and you can try to touch
some my favorite image.
Yes. And then you will change to this
Upload.
And you can take a photo or upload your pictures, and then you can back to the navigation. And you can try to touch different icon.
History.
And history is this one, and you can see this is a timeline, and the different images about the this time's chain engine you can see, and then you can go back to another
game. There's a game.
Yes, if you have a game, you can go to this 3D model games. And when you finish it, it will show the whole pictures and some label in here, and you can try to read the information about this chain engine. And then you can share your pictures about your finished 3D puzzle
to any social media.
Yes. If you share, if you click the shell, you can show the pictures to the maybe FaceTime, Facebook, Twitter, and you can collect these pictures in this collection.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's finished. Could you give me some feedback?
Yes, of course. I think Linda's projects gives us an opportunity to learn some academic information about train engines. But I think there are some drawbacks, such as I think this part is not very useful. I think maybe Linda should delete this part. And then there are some similarities between gallery and the collection. I think Linda could combine these two parts to one part. I think maybe.
Thank you.